So far, we've just worked with a single grow node in the interface that's being mapped to achieve variation. But it's also possible to extend growth using additional grow nodes and other core operators like split and switch. To begin with, I'll place a new grow into the graph and then drag it into the left pin of the grow. What we'll see here is that we've extended the growth at the ends of the tips. And if we increase the recursion counter to 3, then we're going to get this even longer. Right now, there's a visual bug where the color doesn't exactly line up with where this grow begins. But you can actually sort of get around this by turning on offset, which in this case will have no undesired effects. Just don't tweak the offset slider. Now, with this grow, we can see we're getting straight growth coming out from the tips of all of the parent branches. And to make this look a little bit nicer, I'm going to go down to the Effectors tab once more, and once again add a gravity direction effector. You can see that the positive gravitropism influence will pull these branches upright, and once again, we could optionally make them grow down or sort of flatten to the plane that is gravity. Once again, I think for this, we'll be using repel, and actually, why not? Let's just go ahead and map it. Once again, I'm going to map according to U. And bear in mind this time U is going to mean the U just on these sections. So we get a new 0 to 1 value for every piece of geometry created by this grow. If we go to this map, I'd like to once again invert one of these strengths. And now you can see that we can either cause it to grow up at the start and down towards the ends, or the inverse can be true. This gives us very fine-grained shaping control over the branches of the tree. And remember, we're not limited to just placing one single map. We can chain maps, which have a number of different blend modes. So it would be possible to map both by the local U and also by the height of the tree or any other property that you would want to use to control the shape.